Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. Without a special ceremony, Kawasaki Motor Indonesia or KMI released the 2022 Kawasaki W800 Cafe. And like its brother W800, this cafe racer style motorbike also announced by Kawasaki via the company's official Instagram account. So let's check this out. Looking at the official Kawasaki account, the most striking difference between the 2022 and the 2021 W800 Cafe is in the exterior. The 2022 W800 Cafe has a black color scheme with a simple gold and silver graphic touch on the lampshade, tank and the side panels. The seats are two-tone brown and black variations. The rider's parts is brown and the back that resembles the tail of a black wasp, combined with a light color stitching. The black color scheme is all over the body, starting from the rim, fender, body, front fork, engine, frame, swing arm and the rear fender. Only the exhaust is chrome. While in terms of the engine, this W800 Cafe is still powered by a 773cc 2-cylinders 4-stroke SOHC 8-valve air-cooled engine that produces 51 horsepower at 6,500 rpm and a maximum torque 62.9 newtons at 4,800 rpm. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.